Hi guys, so I hope you all are doing well. Now here we have something to evaluate, and this is based on trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Alright, so I'm sure you have dealt with this in your 10th level of trigo, and here we are trying to find out the value of this. So how do we go about this? Okay, now let's get started without wasting time. Now sine is 24 degrees. Can we not write sine 24 degrees as a difference of 90 and 66 degrees? Of course we can. Now we try and not meddle with the denominator. The same we do here for sine 66. We write, instead of sine 66, we write 90 minus 24 degrees. Alright. So cos will remain sitting below as it is. Now, since we know that sine 90 degrees minus any theta, okay, would end up being cos theta, isn't it? So this is as per the complementary angles of trigonometric ratios, correct? Now here we go with the same principle in this case. Since they have said that 90 minus 66 degrees of sine ends up being cos theta, in this case the theta takes the place of 66 degrees. So cos 66 degrees for this, and this cos 66 degrees will remain below. For this, if we were to use this formula, we still have, okay, cos 24 degrees, okay, because sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. In this case, theta has a value of 24 degrees. So we have cos 24 degrees at the denominator already. When we cancel these two, we are left with 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. Hence, from the given options, we know that fourth option is appropriate to give a tick, okay, on, and hence fourth option is correct for the above evaluation. Correct guys? So I hope you people have understood. Have any queries, do write to me in the comment section. That's all for today. Bye bye.